Hello students, so we are going to take up how to study smart for board exams. I know everybody is after you and telling you to work hard, don't waste time, study for long hours. But what you have to do is how to study, nobody is telling you. So you have to understand, I'm giving you tips. Okay, so the solution is a practical proven strategy for smart board exams preparation. So what you have to do is you have to understand that these exams are like a game. So you have to understand the concept, write the clear answers within the stipulated time, and you will be able to win this game. Right, now for this game your textbooks are your main weapon. Okay, not your guides. So guide are there for practice. So what you have to do is you have to read these textbooks properly, line by line, do back exercises, learn definitions exactly like what have been given. You have to master the diagrams, you have to understand and write the value key terms. Okay, your questions, they come from your textbooks. Now when you are studying, what you have to do is you have to understand the concept, you have to write the concepts. Now how you're going to write? So for writing, it's not actually notes time. Now what you have to do is practice questions. So when you practice questions, you write answers, your memory improves, and you're able to understand the concept better. Then when you are doing this three-step study, third step, the final step, comes the revision. In order to have a long-term memory, what you have to do is after 2-3 days you have to revise. So revision is very important. Now for this, when you are studying, you have to prepare a realistic daily study plan. For this you have to allot time to your subjects. So difficult subjects should be given more time and easy subjects should be given less time. And remember, don't forget to keep some time for revision because it is equally important. Right, then now this is the time to practice previous year's papers. So when you are solving previous year's paper, please follow the time schedule, write the answers, right? And when you are sitting, sit without phones. There should be no breaks, just follow exactly the exam schedule. Now when you are writing answers, all you have to remember is your answer should be direct, right? And there should be all the value points. You have to underline the keywords. You have to assist your answer with neat and labeled diagrams. If there is a long answer, write introduction, you have to write points. And when you are writing the or solving the numerical, remember there have to be 4 steps. So first you have to write what is given, check the units, in case there is some change you have to show the conversion also, then write the formula, then you have to substitute the values in the formula, show the calculation, then answer with the correct unit. Okay, then when you are writing the equations, so what is very important, you have to write complete and balanced equation. So these are few things which are very important. Every subject has got its style, so that you have to remember and you have to answer accordingly. Then another very important thing, this is the secret I'm telling you, you have to make a mistake notebook, so that whenever you forget something, you make a silly mistake while doing calculation, or you wrote an incorrect answer, just mention in that mistake notebook. And I'm telling you, you are not going to make mistake again. So this is something very interesting. And side by side, do not ignore yourself, do not ignore your health. Your health is equally important. Remember, a healthy mind stays in healthy body. So your brain needs rest. So give 6 to 7 hours, take sleep, good sleep, drink lot of water, do short walks, stretches, and avoid studying late at night. Okay, now this is the last month, right? This is the time when you need to revise and you need to practice. So at least you have to, for every subjects, you have to practice 5 to 7 papers, right? You have to focus, you have to work on your writing speed. Okay, so this is the time you need to study, and you have to utilize the whatever little time you have. Okay, and remember that exams are important, but they do not define your worth. You have to aim for clarity. Do not aim for perfection. Read questions carefully. Write answers what you know with confidence. Marks come from your clear thinking, not from panic. A calm mind remembers more than a stressed one. You're more capable than you think. So stay steady, stay focused, give your best, and walk out with your head high. Okay, no matter what. So, this is your moment. Go show what you know. So, all the best.